This is the biggest magazine I've ever seen. Although I don't remember I buy it in Hong Kong or buy in Euro. So its height is around 70 cm or 27.5 inch, and the width is 50 centimeter or 20 inch, and it's called Manipulator or something. And if I open it, I can't even fit in the height. And you can see it's a kind of photographic things. This advertising of the watch. It's mostly the black and white photography, foreigners in person. Also about foreigners, quite a big photography of the statue. The world's oldest active photography achievement. Analyst, he saw in Florence in 1852 and to 1863. And other photography of the museum, statue, that kind of thing. And the advertising for both. The Medici, a sculptor, I think. Different kind of ornament. Some oil painting elegant in Spanish. Some kind of comparison of the old oil painting to the modern model photography. Old painting and modern photography. This famous one, to this imitating photography. This advertising of the fashion. Famous putting of the Botticelli, Venice. Yes, it's a kind of fashion mess with photography. I think a sign of the 60s hippies movement. Bit of a man. Gate about some kind of scouting workshop, I think. The Dave in Italy. of the running saw. Looming great pressure. Also the statue work saw, I think. Kind of what happened to this woman? A kind of painting of the storyboard kind of painting. Kind of more modern statue. And then lastly is some kind of advertising. On the back is Swatch advertising. It's the biggest magazine I've ever seen or ever owned.